आ आ
Fourth chapter, multiplication. Here it is a warm up. Color the animals given each class. Also count their total numbers. You have to color this one and afterwards you have to count the number. See, in one group this is a one cloud, second cloud. See how many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits, and another group 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits. So 3 plus 3, 6 rabbits in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rabbits. Now second one, the fishes are here. How many groups? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. How many whales? How many whales? That is a 1 and 2. This one group. 1 and 2 in this group and 1 and 2 in this group. So total in all. So whales in all. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 whales in all. Look ahead what we are learning here. Introduction of groups. Multiplication has repeated addition. In multiplication it is a repeated addition. Skip counting. My way ahead, Azhar, Manjeet, Febin and Revati are playing with the marbles. See, Azhar's marbles 2, 1, 2 and Manjeet marbles also 1, 2. Febin's marbles also 1, 2 and Revati's also marbles 1, 2. So 2, 2 each. See, these are 4 groups, 1 group, 2 group, 3 group and 4 groups. Of how many each marbles? 2. 2 marbles each. Now count the number of marbles with Azhar, Manjeet, Febin and Revati. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 marbles all together. So this is Azhar's marbles, Manjeet marbles, Febina's marbles and Revati's marbles. Total altogether 8 marbles. Now groups. This is one group of a sandwich. See, this is a one group. Another group is not there. So in one group, how many sandwich are there? 4. 1 times of 4 is equal to, that is a 4. These are 2 groups of 5 cookies each. See, how many groups are here? 1 and 2. In two groups, how many cookies each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times of 5 cookies is 2 5s are 10. Practice time 1. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. One has done for you. See here, there are how many groups are? 1 and 2. In each groups, 2 boards are there. So, there are 2 groups, 1 and 2. Each group has 2 boards, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, there are 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 boards altogether. Next, second one. How many groups are here? 2 groups. How many buses each? That is a 1, 2, 3. There are 2 groups, 1 and 2. Each group has 1, 2, 3. 3 buses. There are 3 plus 3, 6 buses altogether. So here it is aeroplanes are there. How many groups? 1 group, 2 groups, 3 and 4. There are 4 groups. In each group, how much the aeroplanes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 aeroplanes. Each group has 4 aeroplanes. There are 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is a 16 aeroplanes altogether. See, repeated addition. The multiplication means that is a repeated addition. See, observe the group of fish. See, we have to observe the groups. That is, 2 groups are there in each. That is, 4 fishes are there. So 2 groups of 4 fishes each. Let us count all. That it is a total number of fish. So total number of fish 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. And 2 times of 4, that is 8. And example, the same number added over and over. This is a repeated addition. See, the 4 we are adding 4. That is what? Repeated addition of same number. 4 plus 4 can also written as 2 times of 4 is equal to 8. The symbol, this is a multiplication sign. So, the use is the multiplication sign. It is also read as 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So, let us observe the group of starfish. Now, here what this one? I remember. See, 2, that is a number of a group. And 4 it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how many in each group. Then this is total of all groups. Okay. Now let us. Here we are doing the starfish. There are 3. How many groups are there? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. In each group 1, 2, 3, 4 starfish are there. So how we are reading? 3 times of 4 is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 times 4 is 12, or 3 4s are 12. There are 12 starfish in all. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is this one? 4 plus. See, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus is equal to 12. This is a repeated addition. My practice time 2. Here fill in the blanks. See, bugs are there, ladybugs are there. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. In each group 1, 2, 3, 4 bugs are there. So 3 into 4, that is a 12. 3 times of a 4. So 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups, and 4 ladybugs each. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is a 12 ladybugs, and 3 times, 1 time, 2 time, and 3 times. 3 into 4, that is a 12 ladybugs, and 3 into 4, that is a 12 ladybugs. Here, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of ants. So, in each group, how many ants? 1 and 2. 5 groups of 2 ants. See, how many ants? 2 ants each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 5 groups of 2 ants each. See, this is what? Repeated addition. 2 plus. See, 1, 2 plus, 1, 2 plus, 1, 2 plus, 1, 2 plus, 1, 2 plus. How many ants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ants. Now, how many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times of 2 ants. Yes or no? So, 5 times of 2 is equal to 10 ants. So, 5 into 2, 10 ants. So, this is what? Repeated addition. Multiplication means that is a repeated addition. See here, grasshopper are there. How many groups are there? 1 and 2. In each 1 and 2, 3 grasshoppers are there. So 2 groups of 3 grasshopper each. So 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 grasshoppers. So how many groups? 2. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 grasshopper. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6 grasshopper. Now here it is a insects. How many groups are there? 1 and 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. How many insects each? 1 and 2. 3 groups of 2 insects each. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ants. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 ants. Now here it is a snail. How many groups are there? 1 and 2. And how many snails each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 groups of 5 snails each. So repeated addition. This is repeated addition. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 snails. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10 snails and 5 into 2 is equal to 10 snails. So 5 2s are 10. This is what? Repeated addition. Skip counting. Counting forward or backward by number other than 1 is called skip counting. So here it is what? Backward or forward by the number. See, other than 1 is called skip counting. See, skip counting by 2's. So see the grades with the numbers 1 to 20 start with 2. Every second number is colored. See, every second number is colored. See here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. What this one? This is skip count by 2's. So now write down the numbers that have been colored dead bar up to 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is called skip counting by 2's. Thus, skip counting by 2's means skipping one number at a time. One number at a time. Now skip count by 5. See the grid with the numbers 1 to 50. Start with the 5. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every fifth number colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are colored here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now every fifth number is colored. So now write the numbers that have been colored up to 15. So 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This called skip counting by 5's. Thus, skip counting by 5's means skipping 4 numbers at a time. 4 numbers at a time. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers at a time. Now, try the skip counting by 10's in your notebook. Write the repeat addition and multiplication sentence. Here it is a one bird is there. The one bird has 2 wings. How much wings? 2 wings. So how many? That is a 2 wings. Here it is a fill in the blanks. We have to fill. See 2 wings means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is a 5 groups are there and 2 wings are there. So 10. How many wings do 5 birds have? 5 into 2, 10. Here it is a goat is there. One goat has 4 legs. So here it is how many groups? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 4 means 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4 means that is a 12. How many legs do 3 goats have? 3 times of 4 legs is 12. One boy has a pair of that is a 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus that is 8. How many pairs of slippers do 4 boys have? 4 times of 2 is equal to 8. I learnt. What you learnt here? Identify groups. Group of same number. That is a 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus. That is a 3 group. That is a 4 groups. Repeated addition of many groups and multiplication. Evaluate. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Here it is a how many groups are there? That is a 3 groups and each of x 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Number of groups 3. Number of x in each groups that is a 2, 1, 2. Total number of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeated addition sentence. We are writing here repeated addition. That is a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus is equal to 6. Multiplication sentence 3 times of 2 is equal to 6. Here it is a PS are there. How many groups? 1, 2. Number of PS in each group 1, 2, 3. And total numbers of pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Repeated addition. They are telling repeated addition means 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Multiplication sentence 2 times of 2 groups are there. 2 times of 3 is equal to 6. Now complete the skip count by 2s and 10s. Here 2s and 10s. So you are skipping the by the 2s. Now start 2s. 2 and we are skipping 1, that is a 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Tens means we are skipping by tens. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here it is there are 3 groups of elephants each. How many elephants are there in all? See, 3 groups of 5 elephants means 15 elephants. Second one, the student makes 4 groups of 12 balls. So 4 groups of 12 balls means 4 times of 12 balls. So 4 into 12, that is a 48. How many balls are there in each groups? So that is a 4 into 12, that is a 48. Dinesh collect 2 stickers every day. He is collecting 2 stickers every day. How many stickers will have on the 5th day? So 2 times he is collecting 5. So 2 into 5, 10 stickers.